Welcome to Travel Vista. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking initiative that is reshaping the future of urban living. Oman is investing a staggering $5 billion into the creation of smart cities, cities that are designed not just for today, but for the future. We'll explore why these smart cities are revolutionizing urban living and what sets them apart from traditional cities. Let's get started. Oman, known for its rich cultural heritage and stunning landscapes, is stepping into the future with an ambitious plan, building smart cities that blend cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and innovation. But what exactly makes these cities smart, and why is Oman's $5 billion investment creating such a buzz? Number 1. Technology integration. Oman's smart cities will be powered by state-of-the-art technology. Everything from transportation to healthcare to energy management is being seamlessly integrated through smart systems. Imagine a city where every building, street light, and vehicle is connected, constantly sharing data to optimize efficiency. For example, smart traffic management systems that adjust in real time to reduce congestion, or intelligent energy grids that save power and reduce waste. Number 2. Smart homes. One of the defining features of these smart cities is the introduction of smart homes. These are homes equipped with the latest in automation and energy-efficient systems. From controlling your lighting, temperature, and appliances with a simple command to security systems that learn your habits and anticipate your needs, living in a smart home in Oman means convenience, comfort, and sustainability. Number 3. Sustainability at its core. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword in Oman's smart cities, it's built into every element. The cities will utilize solar power, electric vehicles, and green building practices to minimize their environmental impact. Take the Oman Sustainability Center for instance. This facility will showcase how renewable energy, waste management, and an eco-friendly architecture are transforming urban living. Number 4. Autonomous transportation. Oman's smart cities are embracing the future of mobility with autonomous vehicles. The idea is simple: reduce traffic congestion, make transportation safer, and lower carbon emissions. Imagine hopping into a self-driving car that takes you to your destination while you relax, all while the traffic system ensures a smooth, efficient ride. Number 5. Smart healthcare. In Oman's smart cities, healthcare isn't just about visiting a doctor, it's about having healthcare at your fingertips. Telemedicine, wearable health monitors, and AI-powered diagnostics are all part of this new approach. You could be receiving real-time health updates from your wearable device, and a doctor could be consulting you remotely, all without stepping into a clinic. Number 6. Urban green spaces. Smart cities in Oman are designed to integrate nature into everyday life. From vertical gardens on skyscrapers to community parks and sustainable farming initiatives, these cities are built with green living in mind. The goal is not just to make cities more livable, but to improve quality of life with clean air, green spaces, and nature-based solutions. Number 7. Data-driven governance. What truly sets these smart cities apart is the way they're managed. Using real-time data, city planners and administrators will be able to make informed decisions to improve quality of life for residents. Whether it's adjusting traffic flow, managing waste, or monitoring air quality, everything will be optimized through a central control system. This is data-driven governance at its finest. Number 8. Enhanced public services. In a smart city, services like waste management, emergency responses, and public transportation are all digitized and more accessible than ever. Want to know when your next bus is arriving or where the nearest recycling station is? It's all just a click away. These cities will offer interactive, digital kiosks that provide residents with instant, up-to-date information. So, how do Oman's smart cities differ from traditional cities? Traditional cities are built on outdated infrastructure, often requiring expensive renovations to keep up with modern demands. But these smart cities are being constructed with the latest tech in mind from day one: sustainable, data-driven, and fully integrated systems. This proactive approach means fewer repairs, smarter growth, and a more connected, efficient urban environment. Now, with $5 billion invested in these cutting-edge projects, Oman is setting a new standard for the future of urban living. It's not just about convenience, it's about making cities smarter, more sustainable, and more livable for everyone. And as Oman continues to develop its smart cities, the world is watching closely, eager to learn from this revolutionary approach. So, will Oman's smart cities lead the charge into a new era of urban living? We think so. From sustainability and technology to quality of life and futuristic transportation, these cities are shaping the cities of tomorrow. What are your thoughts on smart cities? Would you want to live in one of them? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, thank you for joining us, and remember, the future of travel is closer than you think.